Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Sitting here on this old gloomy, rainy day, cold, not much to do, so figure I'd go check out the local Dollar General and the local Family Dollar, do a little Hot Wheels hunting. So let's see what we got in the Dollar General bag. Well, we got a GMC Hummer EV from HW Hot Trucks, white big old mud grips. And we got a McLaren Elva. It's from 2022, new for 22. It was also on the peg. And we got a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, white, 39 on it. Got a blue stripe going down the middle of it. And we got a Aston Martin V12 Speedster. It's new for 2021. Believe it or not, it was also on the peg. So I'm like, hey, might as well get it. HW Exotics. And got a Renault Sport RS 01. Got red, white wheels, white stripes, black stripes. Big old spoiler on the back. Overall, not too bad looking. And we got a Rimac Navara, new for 2023. White, black trim, chrome wheels. Not a bad looking car. Big old spoiler. And we got an Aston Martin Vantage GTE. It's one of the Gulf oil cars. Got no Michelin Man on the side. Big old spoiler. Then we got a mod rod. Looked out and found a treasure hunt here on the Hot Wheels 55 race team. Kind of looked out on it being there. And then last we got the Demachini Veloci. Got a weird looking blue color on it. Overall, not a bad looking car. And we check out the Family Dollar. And we got an 82 Toyota Supra. Red, black trim. Got them old louvered windows and back glass in it. It's from the HW80s. Not too bad looking. Yeah, we got a Lamborghini Reventon, whatever you call that thing. Kind of a weird looking red color on it. red wheels. And we got a 95 Jeep Cherokee, which is also a treasure hunt that I found. We got a treasure hunt from the Dollar General and a treasure hunt from the Family Dollar, which ain't too bad. It's from the Mud Studs. Got those muddy wheels on it, mud up underneath. And we got a Porsche 935, like a metal flake, purplish color, orange and yellow stripe, big old spoiler on the back. They make a super treasure hunt also, but I haven't found that one yet. And we got a 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 LC3S. It's also from the HW80s. All black. Got tail lights, headlights painted on it. Not too bad. And then last, get it out of the bag here. We got a Bugatti Bolide. Bugatti Bolide. It's a new for 2023. Black and blue. Not a bad looking car. It's weird tail lights on the back. From the HW Exotics. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back later.